What if I told you that you're wasting money every single day, just by using Wi-Fi? This app literally pays you for doing nothing. It's called Honeygain, and I've personally made over $138 just by installing it and letting it run in the background. No surveys, no tasks, no clicking around. It's passive income, the real kind. Honeygain turns your unused internet bandwidth into profit. They sell that bandwidth to trusted data partners for things like SEO monitoring and price comparisons. You don't notice any slowdown, you just let it sit and watch the cash flow in. Payments come through PayPal or Bitcoin. Once you hit $20, you can cash out. And yes, I've already done it, multiple times. And the best part? The app is 100% free and works on Windows, Mac OS, Android, and even routers if you're techie. Here's the tip to reach $100 a month faster. Install Honeygain on multiple devices across different networks, like your phone, your laptop, and even your old tablet. The more IPs, the more earnings. If you want to start earning literally right now, click the first link in the description and you'll get a free $5 bonus just for signing up with my link. This is the easiest money I've ever made online. No cap.